This is Dalou. Yes, you guys. Finally, I have a credenza, not a buffet as I was expecting to get, but it is a credenza. I am super excited about it. Those of you who have been following me since the beginning, you know it was over a year ago when I posted my first video for this dining room, and I said I did not have a buffet yet. That's what I said. And I have been living in this house for over 4 years. So you guys can understand why I'm so excited, although I'm always super excited about everything. Yeah, I know that. But you guys can understand why I can be a little bit extra excited because I finally have the credenza. I don't know if you guys noticed that about the room. It is a very long dining room. However, it is somewhat narrow. Skinny and cute, and storage were the 3 components that I was looking for. So finally I saw this one. It has a lot of storage, you guys, and it's skinny, super skinny, but cute at the same time. So I'm very excited with the one that I got. Not only it is as skinny as it could be, right? But also it has good storage for me to store a lot of my items, and I'm so happy to say finally my dining room is complete. So we're not gonna do much in this room. We're just gonna do a few things here and there, and then that's it. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY. Please take this opportunity to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And a big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. By the way, the credenza, I bought it from a local store nearby. However, I do have a link. I will be listing the link in the description box. So yeah, so this is this baby of mine. You guys have seen it before the holiday season. It was featured in one of my hauls. I got it from HomeGoods, and it is $50, and it is by Tahari. It is so beautiful, you guys. I love the shape, and you guys know it's in gold, so that's for me. But look guys, it has the crystal base that is installed right now. And then this is the kicker, you guys. Look at the inside of it with the leopard. Is that leopard? Yeah, with the leopard print. It is so beautiful. A I'm gonna be using this cute book that I got from HomeGoods. This book is $22. This is I think the original price. Yeah, the original price was $40. So this is the kind of book it is. I am not into horses, but it is a very beautiful decorative book. And y'all know these decorative books are very expensive anyway, so this one was a good one, not only because the price was good. The gold writing on the back makes it glam, and it will be unique to my decor. I'm keeping one of the Kindle orbs. I'm not gonna get rid of everything in this room just because spring is coming up soon, so I'd like to do a spring decor in this room. And then these, I think that's a dog. These I got from, I think, Burlington or HomeGoods. The mirror is from Target for $14. By the way, these orb bases are from HomeGoods, and the floating candles inside of them are from Amazon. And then now I'm gonna be using this beautiful golden vase that I got, I think from HomeGoods or Macy's Backstage. It is a yellow gold, so it goes very well with the lamps, with these beautiful flowers that I bought from, I think I bought them from Hobby Lobby. Gray ones are from Z Gallery. The gray one has the little gold accent, so I'm gonna put them right there, and that's it. I went back and add this cake stand that I got from Amazon. Next week, February 10th and the 17th, I'm going to be in my husband's channel, I Live Life on Purpose, for a special edition where we're going to be sharing our love story, some of our struggles, and some of our wins. I would love it if you guys stop by. It's going to be live at 7 p.m. But meanwhile, go check him out. Link for his channel will be in the description box and in the comment section. Squad. If you have not, please follow me on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou. It is the best way to get notification and update until I can upload a video. Like this Credenza has been on Instagram for a few weeks now. Just in case if you are new to this channel, this mirror was a DIY by me. I will leave the link in the description box and at the end of this video. Guys, let me know what you think about my new buffet. I hope you guys like it. And if you like today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I thank you for spending some time with me today. Don't leave my channel without hitting your subscribe button, turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I love you so much. Mwah! Bye.